All right, all right, all right. All right, here we are. We're going to talk about a couple of stocks in this video. Biohaven, BHVN. Biohaven, okay? SoFi, SoFi, and the stock that I like, okay? My hidden gem. We're going to talk about that as well. Alrighty, hidden gem is at the end of the video. Stick around for it if you want some money. Alrighty, here we go. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves. Let's get into it. This is the chart as you see right here with Biohaven. Okay, what are we doing? What are we doing, people? Look at this. Let me get my little marker. Alrighty, we're down. Okay, we're trading right here at, let me make it green, $30.64, right there. Okay, this is our little stock where this little line is. That's where we're at. Okay, now this is the thing. It's good and it's bad. If you bought up here, then this is bad. Okay, because then you're like, I bought up here. Okay, and then now we came through this purple line, 50-day moving average, green line, 20-day moving average. We had some support here on this like orange gold color line, 200-day moving average, very important, okay, line. But now we're down here. Bloop, we dropped. Okay, and what happened? Why is all this dropping and everything? Look at these earnings from before. That wasn't too good. Okay, see the red? Okay, see the red here? Okay, so like we're just like falling from grace here. So when we're below this one, this moving average, and now one, the green one, and this one, all three, you know, no bueno. No bueno. All right. So I think you got the point. But now, if you're buying right now, you see price reacted to this, the stock reacted to this price level before. Hit its head. It hit its head on this ceiling level if it was a house. And then it hit its head again, finally broke through. When it breaks through this level, it became the floor of a house and it has support. And then this was the beauty. This was the beauty. This ride up. Okay. So will this former ceiling stay as a floor of a house? So now will you still have support, and will it hold and ride up? So if you're buying in now, this, you know, this, if this level holds, we don't know. No one knows. So this area here where I'm circling, because you know it's not one price ever, because nothing's perfect in life. So this area between $25 and here, all of this area, buy zone. That's a buy zone. Because like I could say, oh, just do it right here on the dot. Hold on. Like right here on the dot. But that's not how life really is. Because you'll be like, Miss Moneymaker, it's below. Yeah, it could go below. They'll just do that just to fake you out and then still come up and keep riding off into the sunset. So that's why I say you got to take it as like a buy zone area. So I don't know if it's going to stop here and base out, because when it dropped so hard, like once it fell below this 200-day moving average, it fell hard. All right. So it needs to slow down. You need to give it time to slow down and start turning up and moving. Okay, you see how like when it slows down, right? Okay, you can't like see this action here, this area, that's a falling knife. Right now, you got like is this a falling knife again? It's hard to catch that kind of thing. So just be careful. So I just wanted to show that. I'm not saying to buy this. I'm not into the stock or anything right now. So I'm not saying, but I just wanted to show it for people who wanted to see it. The stock is a 10 as in outperforming, okay? 75% for the year up. This is what they do. At least they have FDA approval and things like that. We're going to move on because we have to get, oh, this is the, all the technicals. See, it's a little too much, like there's red where I don't want it to be red. So it's a little too much going on. This is the same stock, you know, so I like in my portfolio, my things are like way greener, way greener. Okay, so here we go. SoFi, 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 SoFi. If you know what kind of song I was singing right there, write it in the comments below. That's from back in the day. All right, this is what SoFi looks like if you mark up the chart and you draw your lines. If I see this, other people see this. Yes, yes, this is what we see. This is what a trader's going to see, because traders trade, right? Traders trade. That's what we do, right? We see a line like that. So right now it's SoFi on a support level. Hold on. Let me just draw this over here too. Okay, hold on. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. You know how this, hold on. Okay. Hold on. Now, if I go to this point, this level goes to 650. It goes all the way to 650 if I put that into it, okay? If I try to get this area. So, I just want to be, and you see this area over here. I'm over here on the left side, okay? This, okay, that. So, 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches. Okay. So, but here, it kind of didn't even touch. So, I'm saying 650 is a level, and then I'm also saying up here, where we're at. Hold on. Where is she saying? Let me just use this little marker right about here, boys and girls. But it's only 2 touches there. I would like a little more touch. So we're close to support, but we could fall a little bit more. Maybe we will hold here, or maybe we won't. So, but I know we had definitely a touch here and here and here in the past. So this is the thing. See, things are not perfect all the time. I don't know if the stock will come down and meet this price again. Okay, so this is why you'll hear me say, buy zone, buy zone, buy zone. Pretend I'm drawing a perfectly oval thing here, okay? Just pretend that that's what's happening. If you want this stock, I'm not into SoFi. I'm not into it, okay? Well, I'm not into it because, what? Boop. Too much red here. There's green here. Yes, that's pretty. But for the year, it's not, it's not up enough for me for the year. It's a lot of, it's a lot of this and this and this and this. It's good for trading because then if you buy down here, yes, and then you ride it back up. But there's other things that we have, like what? What are you talking about? Like, bam! What? Did I say bam, bam? What? Up 200%. She's on fire. Up 200% for the year. What? What am I talking about? MOD. What? Go, 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 go. All right. So here we go. Oh my gosh. Woo. She's on fire. Here we go. Look how that's going up nicely. All right. So of course, as we get closer to where we're at now, you can see, all the curves and everything like that. But look at this. Because what are we? How much are we up? 239% for the year. She's on fire. What keeps the portfolio green? MOD. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. So why am I talking about it now? Well, look, we're right here. We're right here. Okay, so right now we're trading at, let me just give me $97. Okay, so we're up here. All right. Now, it's tricky. Will we fall below? Because this is a nice little support level, and I like that. I like buying on a little support. This purple line, 50-day moving average. Okay? We're looking at the daily time frame over here, okay, on the left side of the screen. So if we hold here, this is good. Sucky, because then we'll go up to here again, right? Okay, like say 110. So I want to buy some more. Now, you see, before it fell a little bit through. This is what I'm saying. Charts are not perfect. Things are not perfect. But it came back above and it kept going. And so it fell here before and it quickly got poured up. That was probably me. What? Okay. All right. And then we came back and we nicely touched it. If we ever fall below, let me just hold on. Let's get the trend lines. Let's get a trend line. Suck it. Ooh, I love money. If you know where that's from, write it in the comments too. Alrighty, so this here. Okay, this was a ceiling of a house. We hit our head, bounced down, later became the floor. Boom, jumping up off the floor. So even if we ever go to this level again, bye. Who said that? I didn't say that. What? Green. And then, because, what are we saying? Historically, even right here, look at this right side. See me over here? Let me make it yellow. 250 right here is saying for the year. So if it has it stumbled for a little bit, it catches itself in it and it corrects and it goes up. It's been doing this for the year, not for a day or a week. This month, 1 month it was bad. It has, because sometimes you have to come down a little bit. They want to come down to these moving averages and catch support. So it has 1 month. Okay, fine. But 3 months, 6 months, year to date, boom. I like something like that. This is how we stay green. Alrighty, I just wanted to hit you out. I don't want to make this video too long. Remember, there are no shortcuts to any place worth going. No shortcuts, people. No shortcuts. Keep it green. Okay. Money, money, money. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.